Imagine you are in charge of hundreds or even thousands of Linux servers. Keeping them updated, secure, and compliant is a full-time job. Doing it all manually is a logistical nightmare. Here's the problem. Manual patching takes countless hours. It introduces the risk of installing unapproved updates, and it's nearly impossible to prove compliance across your entire infrastructure. What's more, trying to do this in restricted or disconnected environments can feel like an impossible task. The solution is Red Hat Satellite. Think of it as your single centralized command center for all your Red Hat Enterprise Linux servers. From one place, you can patch and update thousands of systems at once automatically. This saves your time and ensures only approved updates are installed. Maintain security and compliance with built-in SCAP profiles that prove your systems meet required standards. Seamlessly manage servers in disconnected environment, bringing the latest contents to places that can't easily access the internet. Automate the entire server lifecycle, from provisioning new machines with Pixie and image-based methods to performing advanced configuration management with Ansible and Puppet. Control access at scale with role-based permissions organized by locations and organizations, making it perfect for large enterprise. The basic idea is simple. Red Hat Satellite is the one-stop solution for keeping your RHEL servers consistently updated, secure, and compliant. If you want to see a live demo or a step-by-step install walkthrough, let us know in the comment below.